Basically, it's a play about a woman who does what she needs to survive, and lives her life as a man. She finds that the easier path in the economic and political environment that she finds herself in Berlin at that time. I don't even really know what the word is to describe, surviving through what she does in the course of the Second World War and beyond, losing her identity, forming a new one, living as her husband, and everything that kind of entails. As an actor, I'm always drawn to characters that have different sides to them, or the idea of playing multiple roles in plays, which I've done several times, has always excited me. So the idea of putting that together in one character, such as Ella and Max, was a big draw.